If a toddler can speak fluent Chinese without learning any grammar, so can you. In the last lesson, we discovered that in China, people don't say, "I'm sorry to hear that." And if you insist to express your compassion for others, you could say, "I feel sorry for you." 真替你难过. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to say thank you in Chinese. You might have picked up this phrase from a movie like The Rush Hour or in a restaurant. Let's perfect your pronunciation to help you blend in. Please repeat after me. 谢谢，谢谢，谢谢，谢谢，谢谢。Congratulations! You have successfully completed our morning greeting dialogue. Here's what we have learned so far in English. Good morning. Good morning. Did you sleep well? Yes, I did. How about you? No, I didn't. I had a nightmare. Oh no. I'm sorry to hear that. Thank you. Let's review this dialogue in Chinese. We're going to do it one sentence at a time. Please repeat after me. 早上好，早上好。你睡得好不好？我睡得好。你呢？我没睡好。我做了一个噩梦。天哪！真替你难过。谢谢。Now, we're going to connect some sentences to make it sound more like a conversation. Please repeat after me. 早上好。早上好，你睡得好不好？我睡得好，你呢？我没睡好，我做了一个噩梦。天哪，真替你难过。谢谢。This time, we're going to do a role play. It will be a conversation between a man and a woman. Please repeat after me. 早上好。早上好，你睡得好不好？我睡得好，你呢？我没睡好，我做了一个噩梦。天哪，真替你难过。谢谢。Wow, you did it! What an accomplishment! I'm so proud of you. Before we start learning a new dialogue, let's refresh what we learned in the past. For the next few lessons, we're going to review all the fruits, drinks, and sickness. And then we will learn a new dialogue. Congratulations for making this far. I'm so proud of you. Don't forget to give me a thumb up and share this video. Better yet, subscribe if you haven't done so. I appreciate your support. See you next time.